important thing is not only of the body, not only of the health, but our karma, what in the human life, we are going to go from here. This body, which we nourish with the food, ultimately it is going to be cremated or burnt or buried. So this body needs something work. So our journey continues on an evolution. So from the karmic point of view, what you sow, that you reap. If I plant seed and if it is rice, then rice will grow. If I plant mango, mango will grow. If I plant apple and I pray to God, okay, oh God, please turn it into mango, it will not, because the law of nature. So if we take the food of the baby cow, and a baby cow go to wheel industry or suffering or create a separation of the mother and cow. So there are philosophical point of view, there are three karmas. The first karma is we take the milk which has come for the baby cow and we take away, so it is called adatta dan. We have taken the milk without the permission of the baby cow or the mother cow. So it is called adatta dan. You have stolen, you have taken away. Second thing, when we need milk, the baby cow, where can they go? So in whole of New York or anywhere you move, you will not see a single bull. So many bulls are born every day, burned. But their birth, they are burned, but they are not available here anymore. What shows that they are all taken to a wheel industry, they are put. So that their longevity of the baby cow, and they stay for 10 weeks in the wheel industry, they're suffering, they are there. So that suffering we have called, that suffering comes back like a boomerang. And ultimately we don't know, the parents will forgive, others will forgive, but the law of karma cannot. The mother cow suffers, she cries, and one day we have caused the separation. So sooner or later the separation will come to mother and a child, because you have taken for so many baby cows, so many cows, the thing. So sooner that will come, because the nature cannot forgive you or cannot make a favor for somebody who goes to temple. So that karma comes. So I saw. The third thing is, they are cows live for 25 years. But with this process of milking, with the machine exploitation, within 6 years, they are completely drained. They become useless. So we become the cause to send all the slaughterhouse, the young cows, because of the exploitation, they all go to slaughterhouse. So the people who are talking about meat, they say we serve ahimsa, but they are creating hinsa to all the cows who, and we take away their longevity. So our longevity, I go to meet accident, illness, hospital, disease. Names are different, but the result is the only one. What you sow, that you grow. So these three, Adattanan and Ayushya, and at the same time creating separation. view, so from dharmic point of view, from a religious point of view also, it is better to live with a soya, with a coconut milk, or with a other type of milk there. But we have to conquer our habit, and being slave to the habit is not going to help in this life and the life to come.